I'm Kantaro Okada. I'm the director of Tsunagu Project, and I run 4 different Japanese eateries in Melbourne. So Hararia is located just opposite a park. We offer Japanese bentos and gelatos.
Well, how I found Hararia was I was just riding and then saw a lease sign. On the other side, there was a lovely park. I just peeked behind the fence and saw it was going to be a really nice tree house and a slide, and I could imagine all the families and kids being around. And I always wanted to do a bento shop, so that kind of matched.
And above Hararia, we have Leone upstairs, which is more of a dinner venue. We offer sake and bites that go with the sake.
The reason I like sake is because the spectrum of flavors is amazing. It can be savory, lots of umami, sweet ones, fruity ones, yeah. So riding around Melbourne is the best. I learned to love riding bikes because Melbourne's so beautiful. I actually saw COVID was ending, so opened Le Barjo 2021 in January. So it was challenging. We went straight into takeaway after 2 months of operating like normal service, back into takeaway. But the product itself, like sandwiches and toast, it's very takeaway friendly, so that really helped. So with sandos, we've got 3 main sandos, which is like the mushroom, the chicken, and the octopus. But then we have a bunch of toasts. So Japanese fluffy toasts. We have 9 different variations of that. If we find a staff member who has a special skill, we'll try to feature them as much as possible. So at Le Barjo, we've got Chifuyu writing the new chalk menu. So we used to just have QR codes and paper menus, so have a bigger menu to feature our lovely sandos. The biggest difference of Japanese cafes and cafes in Melbourne is definitely the amount of coffee we serve. So in Japan, you'd be a monster cafe if you served 200 coffees there. But in Melbourne, some places sell 1,000 plus. I get the car out usually when the weather's bad. If it's just a small package, I'd just zip around with the Brompton, especially because parking pretty bad in this area. So 279, I started in March in 2019. 279 has a following for coffee and onigiri. Together, but also separately. We have people who come in just for the coffee or just for the onigiri. At 279, we dropped off azuki, which is a red bean that goes with one of our desserts. We've got 3 desserts at 279 and 4 pastries. When I started 279, we served onigiri. Everyone was like, you gotta sell tea. You gotta sell green tea with your onigiri. Because Japanese people think that's the best match. They thought I was crazy serving coffee with onigiri. It doesn't work that way. A lot of pairings are amazing, but at the same time, you just want to buy what you want to drink and you buy what you want to eat. So 279, a popular option is the pour over. A lot of cafe owners go for batch brews just because it's easy. But I think the pour over is very popular at 279, so we've kept it. Ivan is our barista there. He's into bikes. He also rides with me sometimes. Yeah. I usually start a concept because I'm missing something. So I'd start an onigiri shop because I couldn't find any anywhere. The starting point is always understanding what I would like.